guys, and welcome back to my channel again. So today's video is a scarf tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys very easy ways to tie your scarves. What style is your favorite? Make sure you leave me the comments down below. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I'm only wearing an inner cap for the purpose of this video. I'm going to go ahead and start off by folding my scarf in a way that you have like a rectangular kind of shape at the tip. Then you go ahead and fold the beginning of your scarf. So just fold like depending on how firm you want the front to be. Then you place it on your head. Usually I'll just fold twice. Place it on your head and you try to do that towards the middle part of your head, so you don't take it all the way back, you just leave it around the middle, and then you kind of twist. You can tie, yes, you can tie it depending on how you want it to be so secure, but you can go ahead and just twist it and then just secure the back. So you either leave this like this, or if it's short or you feel like it's all over the place, what you do is you just tuck it in, and if you want to let your hair out, just go ahead and let it out. If you don't, I mean, just like I do have this cap in it, you can just secure it like that. This is style 1. The next style I'm going to be showing you guys is very similar to this style. The first step is similar, but everything changes completely with the way the style looks. So let's go to style 2. It's the same thing like I did. You place it on the head. Now instead of tucking in the two sides that you have, you cross them over. I'll show you guys how. Now once you've crossed over, you're left with 3 sides, 1, 2, and the back, depending on the length of your scarf, right? So sometimes I would say make sure you have equal length. Other times you don't even want to stress, so when one is longer than the other, don't bother. You first off put in the shorter one in front and try to adjust so the lining of the scarf doesn't show. And this is what I do. I tuck it in to secure it. Now that is tucked in, and then I adjust. For the longer one, you do this, tuck it in, right, also tucked. This is tucked in. Now you're left with the tail. If you want, you can let it go like this, but if you're not the type that wants to leave the back, you can secure it. This is it. And I like to take it out a bit, you know, and then I adjust. I would like to call this style the queen style. This feels like I have a crown on my head, and when I raise it up, it's called ture kagatsiya in Hausa, which means push it and you see what I do kind of thing, like, and you see nonsense. Do you get ture kagatsiya? Anyway, this also makes me feel like a queen that I am. So rock this style, guys. And I like to say that it doesn't come out exactly every single time. Also, if you have different patterns of fabrics, one tends to look different from another. But this is basically the technique. Do the front first step, then cross it over, and adjust, and you're done. So for style 3, I am just going to be taking all of this off. This is a total different kind of style. First off, you are going to place your scarf to the back, and you are going to placing this around my head. And next I'm going to be crossing over just to give like a V kind of shape. Then you're going to just drag the two sides to the back and then tie it. After that is done, you just need to make adjustments till you're satisfied with the way it looks. And for this, you can perfectly fit in stuff inside your hair or pack your hair upwards so it gives like more volume to it. This is my best side and I really like this style. For style 4, going to be placing this on my head. This is similar to style 2. This is one part of the tutorial, so let's call this style 4A. The B part is if you want to show your hair. I'm going to be showing that now. Fold all the way till the end of the scarf, then place it on your head and you cross it over like so. Keep this side. Now twist, 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 and twist, and twist. Secure it upwards. If you want, you can leave the back like so, but if you want to double it, twist, twist, and secure. Once you secure this part, you should take out this part and secure it to the first so everything looks balanced. Now this is style 4. Now for the last style, you're going to place the scarf on your head like so. Then you take the two parts, and in every form you can literally just twist the two, but I just want you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to twist the first part, keep it aside, twist the other part, join them together, then twist, and then you secure it like so. This is very, very easy, and it's more like a turban style, and you can rock this literally with even your normal plain scarves. So this is the end of the video. If you found this video very, very helpful, please feel free to share the video with your friends. Let everybody know how to tie a scarf in 2022. If you would like me to show you guys other tutorials or other how-to videos, please leave me comments. Let me know what you think. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you've turned on your post notifications so that whenever I post, you get notified, like you're the first to get notified. Also, make sure you like this video, comment, leave me comments, let me know what are you guys thinking. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.